Smart Toolbox. Smarter manufacturing. Main box and expansion box can be combined for flexible setup and more storage. 96 channels, customizable for different tool sizes. 18.5 HD touchscreen, user-friendly interface. Lifting plate ensures safe delivery of heavy or fragile tools from higher levels. 24-hour unmanned operation, cut labor costs significantly. Pick up tools fast in multiple ways. Old tool return can be required for new tool pickup. Returns are sorted instantly. New, regrindable, secondary, or scrap to boost reuse. Enable storage of partially used tools. Prioritizes secondary tools in next use to reduce waste. Auto records tool usage and inventory changes. One-click export of detailed reports for transparent, data-driven management. Full lifecycle traceability, support reuse, and promote sustainable operations. No YN96 Smart Toolbox, building a smarter, greener, and more labor-efficient workshop.